Have you ever asked yourself, how is Delandis so amazing in those heels? Well, if you want to know the answer to that, stick around. I am here to give you some tips and tricks on how to be fierce in those heels. Okay guys, I'm going to let you all in on all my secrets. How to walk in heels. I get that it can be intimidating, so the first thing I want you to do is to find some heels that are comfortable. You don't have to start out with these 6 inches like I'm in. Anytime we stray away from something that we do every day like walk, and we add an element to it, we make it difficult, and it does not have to be. This is what I want you to think about when you step into those heels, that weight distribution. When you step into those heels, you want to keep your weight forward. What I mean by that is not necessarily this, but if I was out of these shoes, I would be on a tippy toe, okay? That's where I am. Now, I'm not putting the pressure on my ankle to stand at a tippy toe because the shoes naturally do that, but my weight is forward. You don't want to put your weight back. You don't want that because you will fall on the floor. That's how you end up on the floor. That weight's forward. Even when I'm dancing, that weight's forward. Okay, now that we have the weight distribution, taking that first step, I want you to think straight line, not a police line. We're not doing this stuff. That's not what I want. I want you to think about a line. As I take that first step, what naturally happens is that foot turns out. Now, if I were to walk parallel or straight forward, there's a lot of pressure on that ankle, so that's not comfortable. Now, you're not walking like this, so don't over exaggerate, but there's a slight turnout, and it's just pretty. It's like you're pointing that foot. All right? So once I start to put that weight on that foot, of course, where is it? It's forward. The hip naturally goes out to the side, and then I take that next step. Boom. That's what happens. All right? Weights lifted. We walk 5, 6, 7, slightly turned out foot. We walk, hip goes to the side, boom, and step, boom. Everything is forward. You should get a nice calf workout once you finish with this walking business, okay? No. Your homework. Now that you have that walk, I want you to turn on your favorite music. It could be Beyonce, Rihanna, whatever you want, something nice and fierce. And just walk. Walk at different tempos. Walk slow. Slow. I say slow because it helps you work on that balance. Then you can speed it up and you kind of get some movement going on there. And then you can start playing and all of that good stuff. Once you get that walk down, you will be ready to take one of my dance tutorials, and I can't wait to see you there. Okay? All right, guys. See you soon. Remember, the world is your runway. Take advantage of it. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos I may upload. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.